All right, good morning, traders. So, yep, today is February 12th. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record my trades yesterday. I wasn't really planning on trading, and then decided to trade last second. And then because I didn't really have time, I was gonna go out to the park with my daughter. So, but I was like, I'll just jump in a couple stocks real quick. I got some time. So, and those both ended up being losers, and so now the count is down to 1334. So unfortunately, I was right. I hit 15, so I could scale up to $100 risk reward. And then my first day, pretty much trading that scale up, was a losing day. So had I traded out the day, it would have been a winning day. But I ended up leaving early, so I didn't trade out the other opportunities. So that's how it goes. Unfortunately, sometimes you go to scale up, and that's your losing day. It's always a bummer, especially since we had so many winning days in a row. But all right, so yeah, today's the 12th, new day. Market opens here in a minute, and we'll see what we got. Maybe we can chip a little, get a little bit of that back today. I don't try to make it all back in one day. I just basically show up, take what the market gives me, and maybe that will be enough to recover some of that. All right, we'll see what happens. 80 shares long as soon as this next candle opens, and we did not get in. Not enough buying power. 60, 40. Oh, maybe it's saved by the bell. All right, so we're in with 40 shares QCOM right here. It did not put my stop in automatically because I didn't have the trigger clicked on. Stop. Market. So for now, we're going to put it at the low of this candle here, 91.59. Actually, yeah. I think we're just going to mark it out here, 99.52. 52. Sell. All right, so we got our stop in down here at 52, and we're already going to be out, it looks like. Start the day off with a loser. A small loser, but it's still a loser. See what happens here. All right, so we're definitely looking like we're going to get stopped out here. I'm probably actually going to just jump out on this trade here. So Roku's trade right now, and I'm missing out on Roku to stay in this, and I'm really tempted to leave and go to Roku. So I think we're going to go ahead and mark it out. Although Roku might be missing the trade already, so. All right, we'll just leave this in as it is then. So. What happened here? Stop 40 shares. Market 52. QCOM. Day. So. Oh, okay. So we're out. All right, great. So let's see. Roku. We might be able to still get into Roku. So let's go ahead and see if we can jump over there real quick. Or OKU. 30 shares. Short. Okay, let's pull up the chart so you can see it. All right, so 140.35 right now is my stop. All right, we buy it back because we're short, right? Let's mark it up. So we're a little late to the party with Roku, but normally I don't get in if I'm late, but I've been watching Roku for a long time, so I feel pretty good about this. All right, let's mark where we got in at so we can see that clearly. 138.81. So it wouldn't. If it's hard to get the exact number, you can double click on it. And right here, highlight it or whatever, backspace, whatever you want to do. 81. Okay. And then I'll put it right there. So we're a tiny bit late to the party on Roku, but I think we're okay. All right, we'll come back in a little bit and see what's going on. All right, so here we are in Roku. I'm thinking about, so I didn't put my target in. I just trailed a stop on this one. So I'm going to put my my trailing stop here in just a second, but you can see the support level. So part of me just wants to bounce out, but it's starting to break it a little bit here. Looking at the level 2, I'm going to go ahead and stay, but I'm going to put my stop in now. And then if it pulls back, it pulls back 137.75. So we're going to change this. And then we're going to go to buy since we're short. All right, cool. So now if it backs up, it backs up. We're at a support area, so no big deal. And if it breaks it from here, this thing might go down more. But while I was in Roku, to show you how good this system is, we had our switch, permission, volume agrees, boom, 1-to-1, making money. So if I wasn't in Roku, I was making some money over there. Too bad I couldn't get both of them, but account's not big enough yet to do that. So once it is, we'll get both of them. So we'll see. All right, we'll come back here in a little bit once we move our stop again or get out or whatever. All right, so that's it for Roku. We're out of Roku. New candle opens, and we are in. We're in. Our range order is already in for worst case scenario, best case scenario. So now we're going to mark it up. Put the right tool on. All right, put my little prices in. Okay, I'm going to unclick that, trigger, market, stop, range, 74, 78. Oops, 74. And then we're going to watch it. So we'll put 72.23. If not, I'd be put 73.08. So 72. All right, so my new order 72.23, 74.78. Stop, GTC. I don't know what that is. Okay, cool. All right, going to cancel this, and then we're short, so we're going to buy it back. All right, so our order's in, and yeah, we'll come back and see what happens. All right, so here we are. We are below our target here, 73.08. So we're going to put our stop in for 73.07 and move our next one down to 71.40 and give this thing a chance to maybe run on us, or maybe it backs us up and we get out. So we're going to go ahead and buy it back because we're short. All right, so our target's in, our order's in. We'll double check it. 73.07, 71.40. Okay, cool. So if it backs up, we're out, and no big deal. We got our target. Picked up an extra, $50. I think is at the target. So yeah, nice green day today. Slowly crawling back from the loss from yesterday, and yeah, we'll see what happens here. All right, so we're about to get out here. We got our stop at 07. So, it's too bad. It was on its way down to 72.23. Would have been a $100 day, but we'll take our 53 bucks right there. Just got stopped out. So $69 day. So we're slowly chipping away at this. Basically, put us back up over 1400. I don't know, after commissions, we'll still be a little under. And then, yeah, so another day or so, we'll be right back where we started. So we're going to jump in 150 shares if we can. Let's see here. I just jumped in right here. We had our switch. We got our permission. Volume agrees. Only downside is, let me zoom out here a little bit. This is only making me a little bit nervous, is this resistance level right here. But we'll see what happens with it. Everything says get in, so we're going to get in, or we are in. All right, let's mark it up. Let's zoom in a little bit. And I won't be back before the market closes at 4 o'clock, so I won't be able to close out my position, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to have to go ahead and take this loss right now for $22, which is it's kind of a bummer. And then we'll see what happens, see if I actually save some money by taking my loss now, or if I missed out on an opportunity here. 150 and sell. I took a loss on it, so still make 46 bucks for the day. So all good. All right, we'll be back. I'll leave this up and I'll come back later and see what this actually did, and then I'll finish this video. But all right, we'll talk to you in a little bit. All right, so I wanted to bring you at then what happened. So we just ran out of steam. Started to break out over this level. End of day sell off. But I was out, before I left, so it didn't matter to me. But I got out here for a loss where I could have gotten out here for a profit or break even a little profit actually. Because I would have had to sell on this candle because the CME group requires you to close out your positions 10 minutes before the market closes. So this candle I would have had to sell out on, which would have been profit. So could have been a profitable trade. Could have been up, maybe 90 to 100 bucks today, 90 bucks maybe. But that's how it goes. So we'll take our 46 and move on after commissions, probably like 20 bucks. It's all good though. 20 bucks is profit. So we're in a good spot. See you tomorrow.